A lot of small businesses find it hard to grow their email list. Agile Marketing Services faced this challenge before turning to RafflePress. After struggling to grow their clients' businesses after an uncertain year in 2020, they decided to take a look at RafflePress and what it could do for them. Now their client has a much larger email list, allowing them to make more sales and attract repeat business. Agile Marketing Services works with a limited number of non-competing businesses to increase their reach and profit margins. Their clients include everyone from entrepreneurs to consultants, small businesses, large businesses, not-for-profits, and even regional powerhouses. But no matter what the business size is, their goal is always to increase their clients' profits without increasing their costs. To help their clients, Agile offers a range of marketing services, which include email list building and management, social media post creation and scheduling, plans and audits, website design and hosting, and more. Scott Gardner, the owner of Agile Marketing Service, told us more about how they helped their client Basil Thai Cuisine. The events of 2020 had a significant impact on many small businesses. According to Statista, the year had a moderately negative effect on over 42% of businesses. Like many small family businesses, Basil Thai Cuisine faced that same challenge, but they still wanted to thank their customers. After all, their love of Thai food helped keep their business afloat during these times. To thank their customers, they decided to give away 5 gift certificates worth $20 each to their customers. But without a proper way to manage this giveaway, this small token of thanks could be a job too much to handle for them. This is where Agile Marketing Services decided to use RafflePress. Instead of running a giveaway manually, they used the opportunity to grow the restaurant's email list with RafflePress's WordPress giveaway plugin. Here's how they did it. After installing RafflePress on Basil Thai Cuisine's WordPress website, they used the Grow Your Email List template to quickly create their giveaway. The template comes with the Join an Email Newsletter giveaway entry option built in. This helped them to connect to their email marketing service and grow their list easily. In addition, they added the Visit a Facebook Page action to boost their likes and engagement, and the Refer a Friend action to drive more giveaway entries. The Refer a Friend action is a powerful way to increase the reach of your giveaway. By asking people to enter using this method, they in turn encourage even more people to enter, and so on. For Basil Thai Cuisine, it made more people aware of their giveaway and the meals they offer. After creating the giveaway, they published it using RafflePress's built-in giveaway landing page. This allowed them to reduce distractions on the page and share it easily on social media. By combining a gesture of thanks with a giveaway, Agile helped Basil Thai Cuisine more than double their email list. They added 61 new subscribers to their list, growing it by 52%. Promoting the giveaway on Facebook resulted in 105 reactions, 11 comments, and 28 shares, boosting engagement on their page. Agile Marketing Services proved that even small family-run businesses can achieve great things by using RafflePress, and so can yours. With RafflePress's powerful features and easy drag-and-drop giveaway builder, you can run viral giveaways to drive traffic to your website, boost brand awareness, and grow your email list like never before. The owner of Agile Marketing Services, Scott Gardner, said, "I'm a huge proponent of using email lists and try to make sure all my clients use them. RafflePress is a fun and easy way to build or add to your list. With just one contest, I added to one client's list by over 50%. I use and recommend RafflePress here at Agile Marketing Services." If you're ready to try out RafflePress, please visit rafflepress.com or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.